Hey folks, and welcome to week 15. So this week is really all about doing research for Essay 4 and then starting the revision on Essay 1, 2, or 3, okay? So watch the video, you're doing that right now. I want you to look over your feedback on the research check-in number 1. You guys filled those out last week, and I gave you feedback on them, or should be giving you feedback on them very shortly if you don't already have it. I want you to do research check-in number 2. This is, again, a place where you've got the opportunity to say to me, hey, here's the struggle I'm having. What should I do? Okay? So it's an opportunity to carry on a conversation with me focused on what your issues with research are. So much like our template for last week, what's your central research question? Do you feel like you've answered that research question? If the answer is yes, explain in detail what the answer is. If no, what are you struggling with that's keeping you from having an answer, okay? And then any other problems, questions, or concerns you'd like help with. This is just an opportunity for me to check in, follow up, and see how you're doing, okay? So that is the research check-in for this week. Week's work is the revision conversation. So all students get to revise Essay 1, 2, or 3, your choice. I'm going to be working to grade Essay 3 through this week, so if you want to do Essay 3, you can hold off on the revision conversation for just a little bit. I'm fine with that. And I'll be working through Essay 3s as fast as I can and trying to release them to you as quickly as possible, okay? Everyone will get the chance to revise one of those 3 essays. Your choice. If you have a 0, merely because you didn't turn it in, you got bogged down with something, whatever, obviously take the 0, the essay you got the 0 on, and use this opportunity to write and submit that, okay? If year-old will walk in while you're trying to record one of these videos. So, my apologies for that brief break. If there's one that you know, like specifically what you need to do, and you think you could bump the grade up on it, maybe you choose that one as well. Okay, so you can think through how you want to make the decision as to which one you want to do. The revision conversation is sort of responding to all of the comments in your paper. So you're going to go through, you'll start by numbering all of those, and then you'll respond to all of the comments that are in there. And I will come through and give you some feedback before you have to start the revision process. Okay? If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to let me know.